Well, it's snowing again. It's time to get the salters going, loaders going. When it snows, we salt. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. One down, one to go. So we're kind of having a weird thing happen with this particular truck. I can turn everything on, but I can't turn it off. It's very strange. So it's nothing I've experienced before. So I don't know if the contact's just bad and the shut off on the thing, but yeah, I can't get this thing to shut down. It's really strange. I have to turn the truck off in order to shut it off. Very strange. All right, we got the trucks loaded up, so that's good. And we're gonna take one of them. We're gonna have Sean is on his way in. He's gonna take the other truck. So here's what we're working with here. We got the two trucks ready to go. And now we're just waiting on the guys. But we're gonna start getting some salting done while we're waiting. So here we go. You're basically a passenger today. So we just need to drop off some of this paperwork for the shovel guys. This is a Dodge 2500. It's got a lift gate on it. The guys need to bring their snow blowers. They're able to pick those right up, which makes life a lot easier for those guys. So it looks like the salt trucks are out, so we're on the right path here. So we're making our way over to one of our warehouses. So we're gonna go up there. All right, so you're in the passenger seat and we're salting. Yeah, have some fun, hang on. All right, well, let's keep on going here. Okay, that's that side. Let's do this side. Dead or alive, you're coming with me. So I think I'd like for you to go to Flanders first, okay. Swing over to Randolph, then come back up through Landing. The vet, yeah. So you're going to go to vet, Orthodox, and then you're going to hit the new vet, the Landing vet. Let's go. Enough of you hanging around you. Okay, so we got a couple guys loaded up. Our trucks are reloaded a second time. So we're making our way now to some of our other commercial slots that we do. Sean's gonna go ahead and he's gonna hit a couple of veterinarians that we have. And he's also going to take care of one of the churches that we have over in Randolph. This is where this goes. Okay, we'll see you in the next one. All right, you can probably see as well as I can. My glasses are covered in water. We're going to get ourselves another load of salt, putting on hopper number 3, and we got to get back actually to one of our jobs. Turned out we ran out of salt halfway through, which always sucks. I always never like not being able to complete a job. We're using a lot of salt on this one because it's about an inch thick of snow. So we'll get it done. Getting to load number 3. So once again, we have battery issues. I don't know what it is with these things, but it tells me we have some battery here, but I'm not seeing it. Let's just take another look over here. It says I got 31%. 31% is still working. So we missed some of that stuff. Maybe you got a little bit of it. I'm not sure. Let's move on to our next job. Can't worry about it. I mean, we got to work, right? So let's keep it going. All right, so what we're doing here now is we're emptying out the salt on the trucks and getting this all out. And basically we just run the auger with the spinner turned all the way down, and it's going to feed all that salt out. So this takes a little time, but this is what it does. So while that drains out, gives us an opportunity to make sure that all our paperwork is filled out. And I was kind of filling it out as I go, and that's probably the best way to do it. So that's pretty much it. This was just a 1-inch snowstorm. It wasn't much. A couple of our customers denied salt. They didn't really want any, but this is what we're working with here. This is a 2005 4500 Kodiak. It's a really heavy duty, I shouldn't say heavy duty, but it's a great medium duty truck. We really enjoy using these trucks. We have 3 of them. As you saw the other truck, that one's a little shorter, a little easier to get in a salt bin, that's for sure. This thing is long, but it holds up to 12 yards of mulch, which is really nice. Here's the loader. And really appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed salting with us today. Got to see a couple of our sites that maybe we didn't get to see on that first one. Really only had to salt that one job that last time. Again, it wasn't a big one. Kind of dodging bullets here with snow here in New Jersey. So we really haven't had any measurable snow yet this year. All salting so far. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching, guys. Really appreciate it.